You're thinking about diving into the world of crypto, right? Maybe you've heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even those funky-looking NFTs. And, if you're an Aussie, chances are you've got a Commonwealth bank account. So, the burning question is, can you actually play in the crypto game with CommBank? Let's break it down. Crypto and traditional finance, a love-hate relationship. Okay, let's set the scene. Crypto, this digital gold, has been shaking up the financial world. It's all about decentralization, blockchain technology, and the promise of financial freedom. On the other side, we've got traditional banks like Commonwealth Bank, pillars of stability and security in the financial landscape. But how do these two worlds collide? CommBank's stance on crypto. Now, Commonwealth Bank isn't exactly hopping on a rocket ship to Mars with crypto. They're taking a more cautious approach. While they don't offer direct crypto trading or custody services like some other financial institutions, they're not completely shutting the door either. Indirect crypto exposure. So, how can you actually get involved with crypto if you're a CommBank customer? Well, there are a few ways. Crypto exchanges. You can still use your CommBank account to fund your crypto trades on external exchanges. Think of it like using your bank card to buy something online. CommBank doesn't get involved in the crypto trading itself, but it provides the pathway for your funds. Crypto-related investments. There are other ways to get a piece of the crypto pie without directly buying coins. Some investment funds offer exposure to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. While it's not pure crypto, it's a way to diversify your portfolio. The fine print, fees and limits. But hold on, there's a catch. Using your CommBank account for crypto transactions might come with fees. And there could be limits on how much you can transfer. It's essential to check the terms and conditions of your CommBank account and the crypto exchange you're using. Security first. Crypto and security go hand in hand, or should we say, lock in hand. Scams are rampant in the crypto world. So, if you're going to dive in, make sure you're taking precautions. Strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and being wary of phishing attempts are crucial. And remember, CommBank offers some security features to protect your account, but crypto security is largely up to you. The future of crypto and CommBank. While CommBank's current stance on crypto might seem a bit lukewarm, things can change rapidly. The world of finance is evolving, and it's possible that CommBank might offer more crypto-related services in the future. They've already hinted at exploring options. Wrapping it up, so, can you use Commonwealth Bank for crypto? The short answer is, kind of. You can't buy and hold crypto directly through CommBank, but you can use your account to fund external crypto exchanges. Just remember, there are fees, limits, and security risks to consider. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and happy investing.